Genevieve Berend, a pioneer in the concept of the law of attraction, once said, "Attract good to you as if you are a magnet. Your thoughts and feelings are seeds, and when nurtured, will grow into what you planted." Now let's delve into this profound concept. The law of attraction emphasizes the immense power of our thoughts and feelings. Much like seeds, when our thoughts and feelings are nurtured, they have the potential to grow into the very reality we're envisioning. Throughout history, we've seen this concept come to life. Remarkable inventions, revolutionary ideas, and extraordinary achievements have all sprung from the fertile ground of imagination and steadfast belief. The light bulb, the airplane, the internet, each born from an idea nurtured by belief and realized through perseverance. So remember, as Berend explained, there's no need to take from others to have what you desire. It's all about attracting good to you. Now that we understand the concept of the law of attraction, how can we harness this power? Well, imagine your mind as a garden. The thoughts and feelings you cultivate are the seeds you plant. Nurturing these seeds with positivity and belief can lead to the growth of whatever you desire. It's like the wise Genevieve Berend once said, "There's no need to take from others to have what you desire." So how do we plant these seeds of attraction? First, we can use positive affirmations. These are statements that you repeat to yourself, which affirm your self-worth and the reality of your goals. Speak them out loud, write them down, whisper them to yourself in moments of quiet. You might say something like, "I am capable of achieving my dreams," or "I attract positivity and success into my life." Next, engage in visualization. This is not just daydreaming about what you want, but truly visualizing it as a reality. Imagine the details, the feelings, the scents, the sounds. See yourself living the life you desire. Feel the joy of your achievements. Maintaining an optimistic mindset is also key. It's not about ignoring life's challenges, but rather approaching them with a positive and constructive attitude. Remember, every cloud has a silver lining, and that silver lining can often lead to the manifestation of what you desire. But remember, the law of attraction is not about wishing for things, but about believing in their reality. It's not a magic trick or a shortcut to your dreams, but a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can help you attract the life you desire. Believing in your dreams, in your worth, and in the power of your thoughts is essential. You must believe in the seeds you plant in your mind's garden and nurture them with positivity and faith. Remember, it's not just about thinking positive thoughts, but truly believing in them. The power of attraction lies in our belief system. Our thoughts are powerful, but what role do our feelings play in the law of attraction? Well, feelings are the lifeblood of attraction. They're the energetic current that carries our thoughts out into the universe. You see, thoughts are the blueprint, but feelings are the builders. They bring our thoughts to life by giving them emotional weight and substance. So, when we talk about the law of attraction, we're not just talking about positive thinking, we're talking about positive feeling. Consider this. Have you ever noticed how a single, fleeting moment of joy can light up your entire day? Or how a burst of laughter can lift your spirits and change your perspective? That's the power of feelings at work. They have the ability to shift our mindset and transform our reality in an instant. Now, let's take a step back and think about what this means in the context of attraction. If our feelings can have such a profound impact on our immediate experience, imagine what they can do when they're aligned with our thoughts over time. When we consistently pair positive thoughts with positive feelings, we create a magnetic energy that can attract good into our lives. To illustrate this, let's use an example. Picture a gardener planting seeds. The seeds are her thoughts, the soil is her mind, and the water is her feelings. If she plants positive seeds in fertile soil and waters them with positive feelings, she'll nurture a garden of good outcomes. On the other hand, if she plants negative seeds and waters them with negative feelings, she'll only grow weeds. So, in essence, our feelings are the water that nourishes our thoughts, enabling them to grow and manifest into our reality. They're the energetic force that propels our thoughts into the universe, magnetizing what we desire towards us. Remember, it's not enough to think good thoughts. We need to feel good too, because when we feel good, we're in harmony with the universe, and that's when we're most powerful. Our feelings are the energy that fuels our thoughts, giving them the momentum to attract good into our lives. Harnessing the power of attraction can transform our lives, but it's a journey that requires dedication and belief. As we've journeyed together through this video, we've explored how our thoughts and feelings act as powerful seeds. When nurtured properly, they can blossom into the reality we desire. Let's take a moment to recall the key points we've covered. We started by acknowledging the power of thought. We've seen how our thoughts are capable of shaping our reality, a truth that has been proved time and again throughout history. Every creation, every innovation, every achievement has sprung from the fertile ground of the human imagination. Then we moved on to the power of attraction. Like a magnet, our thoughts and feelings attract similar energy. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, we can invite positivity into our lives. It's not about taking from others, but about creating our own abundance. As Genevieve Barond explained, our desires can be manifested through this powerful law of attraction. We also discussed the role of feelings in this process. Our feelings provide the emotional fuel to our thoughts. They add depth and intensity, making our thoughts more potent. When we feel joy, love, or excitement about our desires, we supercharge our thoughts and make them even more magnetic. Now it's your turn. Practice these principles in your daily life. Cultivate positive thoughts, nurture positive feelings, and watch as they attract the good you desire. Remember, it's not an overnight process. It requires patience and belief. But rest assured, the seeds you're planting today will bear fruit. Remember, your thoughts and feelings are seeds that, when nurtured, can grow into your desired reality. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. Your feedback is important to us, and we'd love to hear about your journey with the law of attraction. Thank you for watching.